What up guys, Rob from CholonMotorParts.com. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to replace the MotorGuide 3-position toggle switch. If you have this type of foot pedal, the toggle switch will be right here on the side of it. It's a 3-position switch, and it has two different purposes depending on the type of motor that you have. On motors that run on both 12 and 24 volt, the front position will be 12 volt, the back position 24 volt, and the center position will be off. On motors that run on straight 12 or straight 24 volt, the front position will be constant run, the back position high bypass, and the center will be momentary run. If you guys need to pick up one of these switches, we'll have the link for you down in the description below. I think that covers everything, so let's get started. Okay, so first thing we're going to want to do is shut the power off to your motor. Next, we're going to go ahead and put the heel down on the foot pedal. This will give us access to the bottom side of the switch. Next, we're going to remove the switch from the pedal. On the top of the switch, there is a nut. To loosen it, you'll need a pair of needle nose pliers. Once the nut is removed, you can pull the switch out. I recommend taking these off and reinstalling them on the new switch one at a time to ensure that you don't mix up the wires. And now that the wires are back on, we can go ahead and reinstall the switch to the foot pedal. You'll notice on the switch the posts are offset to one side. The posts are going to go towards the bottom of the foot pedal. This will ensure that the wires clear the top plate of the foot pedal when reinstalling the switch. Now that the switch is back in the hole, we can go ahead and put the nut back on. And once the nut is tight, check the inside of the pedal to ensure that none of the wires are being pinched or pulled too tight. And once you do that, you are finished. Again, if you guys need to pick up the part, we'll have the link for you in the description below. I hope this video helped. If you guys have any questions, make sure to let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and keep trolling.